Novices often think that the market is an enemy that takes their money, but in fact, the market is neutral. It just moves and it all depends on how you're reading the signals. Today, I'll hold a training session and show you how your view of the market changes when you stop fighting it and start working with it. We will analyze the trades, look at the price reactions, and see that there's no enemy in trading. There are only your decisions. Before we get started, you need to configure your account. Watch and just repeat after me. In this strategy, I use your chart type candlesticks. The time frame is 1 minute. Now you need to select Bollinger Bands and Scarf Trend Cycle in the list of indicators. I will leave the settings of both indicators as standard. They are more than suitable for this time frame and trade time. The market is changing fast and it's important to keep your finger on the pulse. On Telegram, I share what I see myself, daily reviews and key areas. This is my workflow. To connect, click the link under the video, subscribe, and message me personally. I respond to everyone. I found a situation in which I can open a trade and make profit. The trade time is 1 minute. I'll start with the amount of $60. My forecast is that the price will decrease. Now I'll press the red button to open the trade. So look, there's a downtrend in the market. The price is decreasing. To work, we need a situation where the price goes beyond the Bollinger Band zone. The price has increased and the green candle has closed behind the indicator zone, which indicates to me that a trend reversal is about to occur. Now the price will start to decline. But before you open a trade, you need to check the reliability of the signal using the Scarf Trend Cycle indicator or Scarf Trend Cycle indicator, whichever one. The indicator line was directed downwards and fixed below the level of 25. This signal makes it clear to me that the price will decrease. Thus, both indicators gave a signal and a downtrend began. I'm sure I made the right prediction. Admit it, it's very simple. It's just really like that. But always remember that every strategy has important rules and conditions that must be followed. Don't rush to open trades now in the hope of making profit. First, watch this video and learn about all the nuances of the strategy. Let's go! The first profitable trade. My capital has now become $116. I'll continue to work. There's still few trades ahead of me. Interesting chart. Let's open a trade and analyze the situation. The trade amount is $116. I'll open a trade to increase the price. Look, there's an uptrend in the market. The price reached the lower limit of the indicator, crossed it and began to rise. This is the first signal. The second signal is, yes, the Scarf Trend Cycle indicator. The indicator line crosses the 75 level and builds above it. Everything indicates that the uptrend continues and the price will rise. When working with a strategy, it is important to open a trade only in the direction of a strong trend. If you see that an uptrend prevails in the market, then you need to wait for the moment when the price chart pushes off the lower boundary of the Bollinger Bands. In a downtrend, the situation is the opposite. No less important is the signal from the Scarf Trend Cycle, which confirms the main signal. With an uptrend, the indicator line will be built above the 75 level, with a downtrend below the 25 level. As you can see, everything is quite simple. Such situations are often found on the market. You just need to notice them. Let's go! Super! Now my account is increased to $222. I won't waste any time. Let's keep working. The trade amount is $222. This time, I think the price will decrease. The indicators have already given a signal. The price has started to decline. I think the market has really started a downtrend and I can make profit. I recommend that you devote at least 3 to 4 hours a week to trading, which is enough time to learn new strategies and test them. If you want to achieve results, then you need to constantly work, learn new things, and learn how indicators work. Bingo! My capital has increased to $427. The strategy really works. Let's open the last trade and summarize the work. I have no doubt about the reliability of this trade. I raised the trade amount to $427. I opened the trade to increase the price because there's an uptrend in the market. I recommend that you try this strategy in your work. It is great for novice traders. The strategy does not require complex technical analysis from you. Simple signals from indicators. Now we'll wait for the trade to complete. Yes! The account has an amount of $819. 4 consecutive profitable trades. Amazing. Today I was convinced again, trading is a long distance game. Every single transaction is not that important. The important thing is the system that you follow day after day. That is why the session turned out to be profitable again. If you want to repeat the result, start thinking not in deals, but in series. It will change your approach. Now please write your opinions in the comments.